Okay, guys, it is midday on Thursday. I don't do these. I don't do these often. It's rare, and I want to bring it to your attention so that you have all of the after the market close until tonight, while you're laying in bed thinking about it. After you've done your research after the market close, before you go and lay down in bed, I want you to think about this. The VIX has hit 1811. The S&P has closed green 4 weeks in a row. We are currently on our 5th green week if we close above 4085.2, which is where our weekly candle commences. And we look over at it here, and it will show us up on the top left, 408520 is where the weekly candle begins. This would be a 5th green week. I have covered this. It is in your email. We have gone over how this failed to be a 1, 2, 3, having missed that 100 extension where 3 cannot be shorter than 1, and it is more of an ABC, having come up to that 41.99 in February. Now we are over here, which, if you like to play the game of the chart pattern, you have your shoulder, your head, and your shoulder, or you can zoom out a little bit further. And even though I am only looking at a 1 year, I will go out to a 2 year and discern how every time we have come up to this 4150, 4100 area above, going back all the way to May, and failed, we sold off aggressively. Here we are again in August. We broke above it. It lasted for 2 weeks, and you know what happened after. We came up and we tagged it up in this area that we broke from back in December when we failed, and again here in February where we had our dip. This is where we are since our last minus 1% trading session. Minus 1% from the previous close. We are on to 13 trading sessions. More importantly, what I will bring you back to over here is you have just experienced or are experiencing your full moon. And you can go back through your full moons, which is kind of a comical thing that we go on. And we see how these full moons happen to fit perfectly for where our tops and our bottoms are. And you can go back as far back as you'd like to go. Go back to 2009. VIX 1811. SPX 1, 2, 3, 4 green weeks. Another week here. Full moon. Zone. 13 trading sessions since a minus 1% below the previous close. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. I'll see you in the chat room.